Now you have been already created a board. You have been learned how to create a board, how to create a team also you have been learned, and created activities. For example, if you like to edit any of the activities, you can click on that to edit. You can write a description about the activity, okay, here, and save. You can write a comments here, and you can join add a members to your activity, okay. You can add a members here by using that one, and you can add a labels also, okay, and as well as a checklist. Everything you can start doing here itself, okay. For example, if you have started any activities, okay, then we have to move that one, select and move it to a doing, okay. So you have been started some of the activity. Once you have been started activity, you may be completed one particular activity. You can say completed this particular activity, and we can close that one, so that it will show the one activity has completed out of two, okay. Like this we can, once you have been completed one more activity, you can do like this. So total it has been completed, close, then you can move it to a done, okay. Like this we can create a activities, we can create a activities, and we can create it to in a different way we can move it across, okay. If you like to, you have been invited one particular team, okay. If you like to add someone apart from the team, okay, then we can invite directly by here, okay. You can invite by giving a email or name, okay, and we can send an invitation to them, so that they will also join your this particular board, okay, apart from this team members. You already know how to create a team, right? By using that we can also do this one. The other thing here, like a calendar, you can check the calendars, like what are the things are there to be done in this particular month. You can see there was a deadline on a 10th, okay, we already completed that one. So we will be get to know that what are the activities to be done in a coming days, calendar basis, okay. Similarly, you can change the setting of the entire board. For example, this change image and all, we have to go to show menu, and here we can change the background. About this bold description you can change, okay. You can change the stickers, okay. All the things you can change here itself, labels, settings, everything you can change. Also you can check the what are the activities you have been done so far in this particular board, okay. This is the way we can manage a one particular board. If you like to go back to other boards or created other boards, okay, then we have to go to a home tab here, okay, so that it will show that which are the boards we have so far. Here it will show that which are the two boards we have been added, okay. Similarly, if you go to the boards, you can check here itself which are the boards we have, okay, so that we can select one of the board to manage that one. Select, so that we'll start doing activities in this particular board. You can invite a persons, you can start adding activities here and moving the activities, and we can go to a setting of the board, okay. Everything we can change here, the colors you can change. Like this you can change each and everything, okay, for a particular board. To go out of this particular board, we have to click on a home tab here,